In today's video, we are going to make Frontman's mask from Squid Game. This prop is way too easy to make and can be done with household items.
We like to think we have some form of control still, making our constant binary choices and voicing our equally shallow opinions more loudly or quietly. Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion.
First step, download and print the template files. The link is in the description below.
Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.
After that, glue the design on cardboard box. I used glue stick. You can either use a paper tape or PVA glue. Either way is fine. Take your time to cut out the design. Once you're done, separate the parts. Use metal ruler to bend the pieces. You can use a plastic one too, but be careful while you bend them.
Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion.
I removed the excess of cardboard to make it look a bit thinner. You can use any type of thin box to begin with.
Autonomy is an illusion.
After that, tape all parts together with paper tape.
Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love.
Same procedure goes for all the parts. Just look at the file and stick the right part to the right place.
1 hour later.
After 1 hour, it would look like this. And now, it's ready for paper mache.
Cause we be on a
Make sure everything is stuck together before gluing. I'm using newspaper for it. You can use any other type of paper too. That should be fine. This is a 3x2 mixture where 3 cups of water and 2 cups of glue is used.
Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly.
After it dried out, use black paint to color it out. You can use the spray paint too.
Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor.
Wait for the color to dry out, and after that, have fun wearing it. Peace.